In this video, I will show you how to withdraw your dollars from Binance to your bank account. So without further wasting your time, let's get started. First, open Binance and go to the trade section. After that, tap on P2P. Now select sell and find the best prices and ratings. Then just tap on sell. Here, enter your withdrawal amount. As you can see, the minimum withdrawal amount for this seller is about $353. So let's go back and tap on the filter icon. Scroll down to set your required amount. For me, I will type 15,000 in my currency. Go back, refresh the page, and it will lower the limit. Now click on sell, select the payment method you prefer, and then place order. It will take about 3 to 5 minutes for the seller to send you the money. So that's it for this video. Make sure to like and subscribe for more interesting videos.